Hey y'all. So it's Maggie
and Doll from 25 Credit Repair.
Listen, y'all. So we ended up reaching 40,000 followers last week, and we wanted to say thank you guys so much, and we wanted to do something a little crazy, to say our thank you or whatever. And so what we gonna do, though? What we gonna do?
All right, y'all. Today we are doing the one chip challenge, y'all. I don't know who taught this into us, but it was crazy.
So listen, y'all, we about to get into this one chip challenge. Allegedly it's spicy. We finna see. I'm nervous, y'all, to read the reviews or whatever. Read the box, honey, and I'm scared. But we gonna do this, and we gonna give y'all some game while we at it. So you know what I'm saying? Tap in with us, all right?
Look, you guys.
Oh my god. Okay, y'all. It's called the Paqui One Chip Challenge. It's supposed to be the spiciest chip in the world. Oh my god.
I'm scared. Y'all, this chip is black.
Oh, damn.
Not black, Lord.
Not black, Jesus. All right.
Oh my god.
What smell like hell? Oh god.
Oh no.
You ready? You ready? Oh god, girl.
What the Oh shit. Well, okay, let me just get this straight.
Oh god, what the fuck? So, listen, y'all. We about to give y'all this game, okay? I'm about to tell y'all why
Your conscience.
you should never put money down
I really
when
don't
you buy a car.
need to be up here right now.
We talked about this before, and some of y'all was in the comments. Oh, geez, I think I'm gonna make it. I think I'm gonna make it. Some of y'all was in the comments talking mad shit, okay? So listen, we about to address this shit. We still feel that y'all should never put money down. And the reason why you should never put money down when you're buying a car, say you had like $2,000. You okay over there?
I'm good.
Okay. I'm still chewing, honey. We gonna push through. It's not bad at all, actually.
All right.
Okay. So listen, when you go to the bank, I'm sorry, never go to the dealership when you get in a car. This shit getting hot as hell.
Oh my god.
This shit getting hot as fuck. Okay. Woo!
We're gonna be reading.
Got this shit hot as hell.
We're gonna be reading some of y'all's comments.
Oh, good.
Oh no.
And then I still got some in my teeth. Fuck,
It's a
so-
no. It's a no for me.
Listen. All right. So when you go to the dealership, y'all, they gonna run y'all credit through the mud, okay? And then they gonna ask you to put down a crazy down payment. You need to understand that. Oh fuck! I need some water. Fuck no! I need this water. Ah!
Y'all. Oh my god. My throat. Like really. No.
You about to die? Oh my god! I stuck my teeth, girl. I gotta get out of here.
No.
Okay. No, come back. No, get some water.
that
Does it really hurt? Girl, get some water.
shit. It's not gonna work.
Get some ice.
Oh.
Listen, y'all, she out. Okay, well, we about to push through. Don't put money fucking down when y'all get these cars, because you can put that money down toward the principal, okay? The principal payment, when you put money down, it's not gonna change. Oh my god, in the throat part. It's the throat part for me. When you put money down, Jesus, it's not gonna change your note that much, right? So say you put like $1,000 down, but your note was gonna be $200, right? That shit only gonna go down just a little bit, like maybe $20. Fuck, it's the throat part for me, Jesus. So you can take that money, put it down toward the first payment, but make sure you put it down toward the principal, okay? So put it down toward the principal, and now you dropping down the balance substantially, okay? So say you had like a $20,000 car, and then you put down, oh Jesus, and then you put down $1,000, you now got you a $19,000 car, right? But make sure you put it toward the principal, okay? And when you put it toward the principal, remember when I said that monthly payment was gonna be $200? So when you put it down toward the principal, you just took off $1,000. When you make that payment, you can ask your bank, confirm with your bank, because some of y'all didn't want to confirm. Some of y'all was just reading the comments. Confirm with your bank that they're willing to do this shit. Put down $1,000 toward the principal, and it'll basically take away the it'll say, okay, you basically paid up for 8 months, because remember that payment was if you just putting $1,000 down, it's not gonna change the monthly payment like that, but about $20. You good over there?
I'm finna fight.
You good over there? Okay. So let's address the comments, because some of y'all have some comments and we need to address these comments, okay? You can still go to the bank without putting money down. The only difference is, you know, some of y'all might have good credit, some of y'all might have bad credit, okay? So listen, if you got bad credit, you need to work on that, because your options are a little bit more slim when you got bad credit. You want to be able to call the shot. So honey, you need to start working on that credit. But you still got options, okay? Some of y'all don't know that at a 600 credit score, you can go to any, well, not any, but certain lenders, and they can still approve you for your vehicle, right? They can still approve you with no money down for this vehicle, right? But you just got to ask. You got to know what the lender wants. You got to know what your credit profile looking like and how it aligns with that lender. So, girl, what they talk about in the comments? Because some of y'all had a lot to say.
All right, y'all.
Ooh.
I'm doing a little better. But, so, someone in the comments said, my recommendation is never to finance a vehicle. What do you think about that?
Listen, some of y'all, you know, are at a place in life where you don't have to finance a vehicle. You can buy it outright in cash. But some of us, we don't have it, baby. Some of us is really out here struggling. We don't just have $5,000, $10,000, $3,000 to drop on a car. So we gotta finance. So for those people who need to finance and who don't have money to drop cash like that, I'm talking to them, baby. Okay? What else they got to say, baby D? What else they got to say?
How do I get the vehicle if there is no down payment towards the dealer?
Remember what I said, y'all. If you got bad credit, listen, and when I say bad credit, it's not just about the scores, but it's about what's on that profile. Listen, we got to put this down because we got to push through this. Can you do it? No. So call up your lender and say, listen, I want to get a car, but what do I need to have on my credit before I apply? Because you don't want it to be out there like, oh, let me give you this credit because you going to run it through the mud. Don't be giving all these people your social. Okay? And then some of y'all was in the comments talking about some, oh, well, you can't just pay your vehicle off and then get a check back. Interest rates don't work like that. Listen, y'all, have you ever heard of getting ahead of the interest? It is a real thing, baby. It's a real thing. Get ahead of that interest by paying it early. So if you guys have student loans, anything with interest, get ahead of it by paying more, okay? Right. And make sure you're making your payments toward the principal. That's the biggest thing. But some of y'all's credit is so bad. Y'all done got hooked up with lenders that are just like, nah, like, you know, we gonna run your credit and this is what you have. But you need to ask questions. Ask questions because they'll tell you if you ask them and you don't have to give them your credit. Your scores don't have to drop. But y'all, you can pay toward the principal and then overpay a little bit. So when you overpay, like I was saying, if you put more money down, put it toward the principal, but make sure you confirm with your lender that that's good to go, okay? And so when you put the money down, $1,000 that you put down, you basically have paid months up. And so if you pay that $20,000 car off before, because they calculated you to have it for what, say 7 years was the term. If you do it and pay this car up before the 7-year term, you will be good to go. And you will get a check back because they've calculated you to pay interest for 7 years. But because you put the biggest check down that you were going to put towards your down payment, but you put it towards your principal, is going to actually make a difference. And remember, your monthly payment won't change that much. But if you put the money down toward the first payment or in the principal, it'll make a big difference. It's just so damn hot. Oh my God.
Y'all, sometimes the interest can be more than your real note. Like, interest is crazy. But so someone else said, I think if you just answered this, but does the money you put down, or does it go towards your balance or no?
It's the principal balance that you're putting into war, which goes to your overall balance, yes, but you need to confirm with your lender that they'll be willing to do this like to begin with. Okay, listen, y'all, you can get ahead of the interest if you pay more than they're asking you to pay. Okay, and when you guys are making the payment, just put it towards a principal. And then also to never go to the dealership to finance, because when you go to the dealership to finance, they're gonna run your credit through the mud through different lenders to try to,
you're gonna have about 30 inquiries.
yeah, and you don't want to have 30 inquiries. If you have bad credit, make sure that you are doing the utmost to try to get your credit nice, but then also make sure you ask questions because you still got options. All right, y'all, we out.